Another beautiful beach. One room through to get back to the beach. Go to the loo, which is good. Just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. A chilled out resort. Buy one get two free. Buy two get one free. That'll do. Look at it. Pure white sands of amazingness. Wow, wow, wow. Whew. Just making my way back now to the scooter. What a beautiful place Karate Beach is. There's a few private spots you can't get to, which is around that bit, which is a shame. But fair enough. It is still stunning. Quite busy at the resort, which is good. Lovely bar, cold drink, or much needed cold drink. I'm finding my choice for when I get to a place for hydration is obviously not a beer because I'm on a scooter, but a can of Diet Coke or Coke Zero and a bottle of water. Perfect. Good to see they collect all the rubbish in the mornings, which is good. Somebody's rifled around hat as well. Oh well, but it's good to see they've collected the bits of plastic off the beach and that, and I would imagine somebody will clear that up later on. Always a good sign of a good beach and good resorts. Clearing up all the rubbish left by the tourists mostly. Wow, Karate Beach, Karate. That's how you pronounce it. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. Some other islands of it, or what they are. Goes on over there. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Definitely a place I'll come back to. This is Koh Samui. Beautiful. Going on to Buhat Beach. Stunning. Wow. Buhat Beach. The colours. too shabby of a beach then. So many good beaches in Koh Samui. It's unbelievable. Absolutely stunning, as you can see. So nice. All the way around. Definitely bring your dad and your sister here, I reckon. I love it. Stunning. Well, we're coming right through the middle of the island this time rather than around the perimeter beach roads, scenic routes or whatever. This is what happens when you stay in the sun too long. You end up like this bloke, shriveled as fuck. Zero moisturiser. Anywhere, just keep your eye on the roads because they do overtake it. Strange places. Paintball. Imagine, oh, I couldn't dress up like that in this weather. Jesus Christ. As I say, going straight through the centre of excuse me, treetop tour. Straight through the centre of the island, which is all right from the jungle. Which is very, very pleasing on the eye, as they say. Must be monkeys and that in there somewhere. Definitely snakes. I got one on video. But oh, it's beautiful. Wow. You weren't hanging about, as they say. That's for sure. Funny feeling when we get to the top of this road, the view is going to be amazing. Come on, we can do it. Oh, muscle. Oh, hello. Let's have a look. What does that say? What does that say? Trees are right. What a view though, into the jungle. Look at it. Oh. Few creepy crawlies down there. Beautiful though, absolutely stunning. Look at that for a view, unbelievable, stunning. Looking down towards the ocean at the top, beautiful. Don't want to go home, stay. Boy, look at that view. Oh boy, look at that. Stunning. Woo! That view is amazing. Koh Samui, you are the best for views. Look at it, either side. Oh man.